to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you a style I have shared before in the past, but I have not shared this color with this style. This is from the Wig Company and this is exclusive at the Wig Company. This is from their Statements collection. So you cannot find this here wig anywhere else but the Wig Company. And the nice thing about those exclusive wigs at the Wig Company is that they are amazing prices. So you'll have to check that out. I will have links down below. Now this here wig is called Summer Heat. So even though we are headed into fall, it is always a good time to wear summer heat. This here color is F24 12. It's a really beautiful, simple color. This is a light brown with an ash blonde. You have that number 12 light brown, and then you have 24, that beautiful ash blonde. It's a beautiful blend of two great colors. I will show you a closer look at this blended beautiful color when I take this wig off. Summer Heat is a customer favorite out of these beautiful Statement collection wigs. Not only is it a fantastic price point, but it has a gorgeous lace front and it also has fantastic fibers. Here is that lace front on Summer Heat. Not only that, but these fibers are heat-friendly synthetic, so you can change up this here style. You can add curl, wave, using your heat tools at a low setting. You have this monofilament lace front, so it can be worn off the face easily, and it looks incredible. I've always liked the Summer Heat lace front. They do a great job. This is a lovely mid-length long bob. It's not really a short bob, but it's not as long as some other long bobs. So just kind of like a mid-length bob. It's a great wig, great density as well. It's nice and light and very natural. The total weight on this here Summer Heat wig is 4.0 ounces. Now let's do a full turnaround so you can see Summer Heat from all angles. Okay, let's take this beautiful wig off and show you the underside. So you have this lace front. This is a monofilament lace front. It's this meshy material, and these hairs are individually hand tied coming out of this lace monofilament top. It doesn't go fully back into the crown area, just this kind of extended lace front. So you can part it every which way, pull it away from the face to about this area, and behind that you do have some closed wefting, but it also has a little bit of permatease, so you have some lift at the crown, and it also hides that base material. The permatease, it's basically just shorter teased fibers sewn at the base of the cap. It gives lift and built-in height, so you have nice volume at the crown and you get that great silhouette that you see right here. The rest of this cap is machine open wefted. It's nice and breathable, and it allows them to keep the price point lower. Now you have your velvet lined ear tabs and your velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Now here's a closer look of that beautiful color, F24 12. It's really pretty. You can see those highlights, that dimension. It's a gorgeous medium blonde color. Now let's put this wig back on. If you are looking for a mid-length bob and you want to spend not a whole lot of money but have a great lace front, Summer Heat is a fantastic option. I really like Summer Heat pulled away from the face because that lace front looks really good, and every single color that I've had of Summer Heat has always had a really great lace front. You guys will have to check out the Wig Company, sign up for their newsletter, go follow them on their social media platforms. They often have great deals, plus their exclusive lines are so great and the price points can't be beat. I want to thank the Wig Company for giving me the opportunity to share these budget-friendly styles with you guys. And please let me know if this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and definitely go follow me on Instagram. I appreciate you guys for watching and for being here, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.